We are pleased to show you the 2017 Evoque. The all-new Range Rover Evoque is the lightest and most fuel-efficient Range Rover to date, continuing our commitment to environmental sustainability, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.